Hey champs, let's dive into the world of queue creation on Social Champ. It's a game changer. Once you're on the Social Champs dashboard, head over to the bottom left column, and right there, you can't miss it, the setting drop-down. Click on it and dive into the magic of the Manage Queue button. Step 2, inside Manage Queue, the magic begins. Select Create New Queue, and voila, you're in the queue setup zone. Step 3, now choose the social media accounts you want in your queue. No need to compromise on your business cash flow, keep that social presence flowing. We've got your back with suggested times too. If you're in a hurry, Social Champ has your back. Save it up, and your queue is ready to roll. Or with added time slot, you can pick your custom time. It's all about working when your audience is at its peak. Imagine your audience loves your content 6:30 p.m. for Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. You can add multiple time slots, like second could be 8:30 a.m. for Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. No way you're missing out. Add those time slots, customize the days and times according to your style, and hit that save button. You can easily sort your queue with your social accounts. For instance, for Facebook, you can see how many queues are running on the back end. Now, the grand finale to post with help of Queue. Select your social accounts and write your caption. From the down, you can actually select when to post, auto queue next and auto queue last. Ready? Create a post, then tap the drop-down, select auto queue next, and watch as your post takes the lead in the queue. Or try auto queue last, and your post gets the spotlight at the very end. It's your call. With your posts all lined up, you're ready to take the social media world by storm. Happy managing with Social Champ.